Hey guys, today we're going to be comparing fractions with different denominators. So again, your denominator is a number at the bottom, and it's going to tell you how many sections did you divide the whole. So here I divided the whole into 3 sections, and this one I divided the whole into 4 sections. The numerator tells you how many sections are shaded. So 1 out of 3 is shaded and 1 out of 4 is shaded. Okay, so I ended up doing 2 different examples because fractions can be seen as a strip diagram, or you can use them as a circle like I did here. Okay, so if I notice I have 3 sections shaded, 3 sections and 1 is shaded, and then here I have 4 sections and 1 is shaded. Same thing here, I have 3 equal sections, 1 is shaded, 4 equal sections and 1 is shaded. So if you notice for this one, the 1/3 is slightly larger than 1/4, okay? Same thing here, 1/3 is slightly larger than 1/4. Now, to make sure, I'm going to look at my tiles, and here you can clearly see that 1/3 is greater than 1/4, okay? So when you don't know how to draw everything precisely and you have the option of using some kind of fraction tile, then I would suggest to do so. So here I have 1/3 and here I have 1/4, okay? Also, like I said before, we are going to be able to use our butterfly method, which is multiplying the numbers that are across and opposite from each other. So 1 times 4 would give me 4, okay? And then on the other side, I have 1 times 3 would give me 3. So 4 is greater than 3, which means that 1/3, so I could write my inequality like this, 1/3 is greater than 1/4, okay? All right, so let's do some examples. Okay, so we have 2/3 and 2/4. Then we have 1/8 and 1/4. Then we have 1/2 and 1/3. And finally, we have 4/4 and 4/6. Okay. So I'm going to be using my fraction tiles, and I have 2/3 here compared to 2/4. So if you notice, I have 2/3 is greater than 2/4, okay? So the thirds is going to be greater than 2/4. And here we have 1/8 and 1/4. So 1/8 is a lot smaller than 1/4. So 1/4 is greater than 1/8. Here I have 1/2 and 1/3. So 1/3 is smaller than 1/2. And finally, I have 4/4, which is actually also 1 whole. 4/4 is 1 whole. And 4/6. So here it is. So 1 whole, or 4/4, is greater than 4/6. And that is how we compare fractions with different denominators.